Blending photo edges can seem like a complicated process and many people avoid it because they are not sure how to do it. However, learning this technique can definitely improve your final artwork and help you spark your creativity. With the right tool, creating images with a dreamy or foggy look should not be challenging or time-consuming. And in this tutorial, I will teach you how to use Canva to blend photo edges. So let's open Canva and create a new design. It doesn't matter which dimension you choose, but for this video I will go with 5000 by 5000 pixels. If you have your own photo, go to the upload section. But if you want to use a stock photo from the Canva library, go to the elements and type, for example, woman. You probably know that there are two types of Canva subscriptions, free and pro plans. As a user with free plan, you are limited in some features and cannot use all the images or elements in the library. The pro elements have a crown icon in the left corner and cannot be used with a free plan. So find an image that suits your subscription and use it. Because I have a pro account, I will use this photo and the background removal tool to cut out everything besides the woman. In the next step, you need to change the background to any color to see the changes you will be making. Now, go ahead to Elements again and type Fade to Transparent Gradient. In the subsection, choose Graphics and find a gradient background that you like. After you choose the gradient element with the fading effect, position it in your photo and choose the same color as the background. If you are satisfied, press and hold the left Alt key on your keyboard and drag the gradient background many times you want to duplicate. With this method, you can quickly duplicate an element and delete it if you think it is too much. With this blending trick, you can create quite interesting designs, and in my opinion, it looks great with a white background. As you can see, creating blending photo edges in Canva is quite easy. So, I hope this simple tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.